Salvete omnes. Let's continue with Virgil's Aeneid, Book 1. Aeole, namque tibi divum pater atque hominum rex, et mocere dedit fluctus et tollere vento, gens inimica mihi terrenum navigat aequor, ilium in Italiam portans victosque penates, incute vim ventis submersasque abrue pupes, aut age diversos et disique corpora ponto. Aeolus. Notice this is vocative. Aeolus. For the Father, both the Father and the King of gods and men, gave you. There's an implied imperium here. So just imagine imperium is here. He gave you the power, imperium, to both calm and to raise the waves with wind. The clan hateful to me sails the Tyrrhenian sea, carrying Ilium into Italy, and defeated household gods, defeated Penates. Strike power with the winds, and overwhelm their ships having been sunk, or make the ones having been scattered? Make the ones scattered, and disperse their bodies on the sea. So Juno's being really savage here. She wants Aeolus to make a big storm and just scatter the Trojans' bodies across the sea. And she's describing them here, bearing Ilium. Ilium refers to Troy. Ilium into Italy. They're carrying their Trojan gods, their Trojan relics, their Trojan genes even into Italy to start anew. And the defeated household gods, because the Greeks won in the Trojan War, so the household gods of Troy have been defeated. And now incute. These are imperative verbs. And I hope I said Aeole was vocative, because that is vocative. And now we have imperative verbs. So Aeole namque tibi divum pater. She's just talking about how power was given to Aeolus from Jupiter, and she is Jupiter's wife, so doesn't she owe him a little something for all the power that he has, since her husband gave it to him? I believe that's the point she's trying to subtly raise here. And now we continue. The clan hateful to me, of course the Trojan clan. Navigate the Tyrrhenian Sea. That means they're getting close to Italy, and she does not like that. She needs something to come and take them away from Italy. Bearing Ilium. And I think that's pretty much everything for this section of the Aeneid.